Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best glass storage containers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the FINEDINE Superior Glass Meal Prep Containers. Whether you are in need of glass storage containers for preparing meals, transporting meals, or storing leftovers, you can get the Superior Glass Meal Prep Containers with an assurance that it will be up for the task. The containers are made using eco-friendly, food-safe, non-toxic, and environmentally safe borosilicate glass. As a result, you can be sure that the glass will not contaminate the food. Besides that, the glass is heat resistant. This means that you can use it in the freezer, baking in the oven, or for reheating to enhance easy meal preparation. Moving on at number 4, we have the Vallo 20-piece glass food storage containers set with snap lock lids. Prepare your meals ahead of time once you get Vallo's glass storage containers. The containers come as a pack of 20 pieces, 10 glass dishes and 10 matching lids. The result is getting plenty of food storage options when you are looking for containers for preparing meals, storing leftovers, and transporting meals during picnics. What's more, the food containers are heat resistant. This makes the dishes suitable for use in the microwave, freezer, or oven. However, note that the lids are not designed for microwaving. At number 3, we have the 5 stars UNITEDGlass food storage containers with lids. A healthier alternative to plastic containers is the UNITEDGlass food storage containers. The containers come as a set of 3 large, and 3 small glass rectangular storages. The containers can nest into each other, which means that they do not consume a lot of space during storage. You can get these containers as a perfect option for the best glass storage containers that are safe to use. The reason is the BPA-free components that protect food from contamination. Additionally, the containers are an excellent choice for glass storages that are versatile. This is because of the borosilicate glass construction that makes them safe when used in the oven, freezer, dishwasher, and microwave. The tempered glass containers feature a thermal shock-resistant design. The result is their ability to withstand temperature changes of more than 200 degrees Fahrenheit without breakage. The plastic lids incorporate a rubber gasket and 4 latches. This means that you can expect the containers to deliver an airtight seal and protect foods from spilling. At number 2, we have the Razab 24-piece glass food storage containers with airtight lids. Maintain fresh food, vegetables, and fruits once you get the 24-piece glass food storage containers from Razab. The 24 pieces comprise 12 glass food storage containers with 12 lids. The containers come in a range of sizes and shapes, including square, rectangular, and round shapes. You can expect them to seal in food and prevent spillage. The reason is the airtight and watertight silicone-sealed locking system. Also, the containers can keep food fresh and hot. The reason is the air vents on the airtight snap-on lids. Razab glass food storage containers feature a versatile design, which means that you can use them in the microwave, oven, refrigerator, or freezer. And finally at number 1, we have the Bayco glass storage containers with lids. A perfect helper when you want to serve everyday meals or store liquids is Bayco glass storage containers. The containers come as a pack of 9 meal preparation containers. All the containers are of different sizes and in 3 shapes, including round, rectangular, and square. You can get the containers when looking for glass food storage containers designed to keep food fresh and protect liquids from spilling. The reason is the snap locking system designed to form an airtight and watertight seal to keep food fresh and protect it from spilling. Also, the containers are an excellent choice for storage containers designed to carry food or heat it. This is because of the ability to withstand different temperatures, making them suitable for use in the microwave, oven, or freezer. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.